Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your Jabra Elite 3, the left earbud or the right earbud is just not working. So what you need to do is to take them out, put them back to the case, and you need to hear a click on both when you're going to put them. Then what you want to do is to press both, and you just want to hold and press. And there should be like a light on both, like bling 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 blink. You will see it soon, and that means that it's going to factory reset, and possibly this can help you with your earbuds. See, first blink, and it should be on the both. Did you see that? So just hold it more, and now the left one, now both together, and now it's being resetted. So this is something that you want to achieve. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day. And now you're gonna take them out and try to pair them and see if they're going to work out. Have a great day and goodbye.